Hey, tiny adults in the making. Let's go over this test question. Keep in mind that I am not using a calculator. I'll be working out everything by hand so you guys can see my work, as you could have done this also by hand, but calculators are cool. All right, the height of a cylinder is 5 centimeters. The circumference of the base is 16 pi. Which measurement is closest to the volume of cylinders? So I'm looking for volume, which is going to be base times height, in cubic centimeters. Okay, they gave a circumference. I also know the circumference formula is pi d. But clearly, if I switch these two guys around, it would be pi, ooh, that was an ugly pi, pi 16, which means my diameter is 16, which means my radius is 8. And from there, I'm going to set up my t-chart and solve. So I'm looking for a circle prism because I'm dealing with a cylinder. B equals pi r squared, and V equals base times height times 8 squared. I do not know what 64 is times 3.14, so that's something that you guys probably would have just typed in your calculator, but I'm going to work it out as quickly as I can. 4 times 6, 24. All right, 200.96. Plug that guy in. Volume equals 200.96 times 5. Cool. Also don't know that off the top of my head, but I can estimate because this is around 201. So my answer is going to be around 1,005. And what? Look at that. Option C actually is 1,005. So technically I can be done, but let's work it out just to prove it. 6 times 5 is 30. 9 times 5 is what, 45? 48. Look at that, guys. 1,004.8. And answer choice C is 1,005.3. That's all she wrote, y'all.